The semi-annual Border Rumble event at Fort Bliss, Texas, showcased some of the military's up-and-coming boxing talent. From experienced fighters to those new to the sport, the evening was non-stop face-to-face action.
I like the competition aspect of it. Like teams, you can always blame the other guy, but in boxing, you have to blame yourself. There's nobody else you can blame but yourself, and I like that the best about it.
The self-motivation paid off for this soldier, who easily defeated his opponent with a flurry of vicious attacks in round 3. According to him, being the best in the ring takes more than the usual physical training.
And running 2 miles is nothing compared to actually being in a ring for even a minute. It takes a lot out of you, especially throwing punches. You gotta learn the proper breathing techniques, but it's good. It's good.
For those looking to join the next Border Rumble or take up boxing in their own areas, Turnbull offers this advice.
Dive right in. Just take the hit. You gotta take the hit.
From Fort Bliss, Texas, Army Sergeant Dylan Townsell, 16th MPAD.